Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Daleen Lawman, Head of School at Ignite Center for E-Learning, and this is my pup, Jules. Hey Jules. Yeah. I wanted to let you know about our plan for our next school-wide assembly taking place this Friday morning at 9 a.m. We're planning to hold our Ignite assemblies monthly, and students, parents, and caregivers are all invited to join us. This month's theme, of course, is Halloween. Please plan to come dressed in costume. There are going to be random prize draws for all who dress up, as well as other fun games and prizes. Bonuses for pets who come dressed up too. There will be plenty of treats and Ignite swag to be won, so you definitely won't want to miss this month's assembly. We're going to begin the assembly with general announcements before moving into the fun activities. So please watch your email for a Zoom link coming this week for the assembly on Friday. In addition, we're having a pumpkin carving contest. Please send a photo of your creative carving to info@ignitecenter.ca and we'll announce the winners at our assembly. If you do not partake of Halloween activities, please feel free to send a photo of other creations you'd like to share, such as cake baking or anything like that. I want to congratulate Blake, Mackenzie, and Jeremy, who were last month's prize winners. Your prizes have been sent in the mail. For our November assembly, we will celebrate our fur or feather babies with a Bring Your Pet to School Day. Watch for details and let us know if you have ideas for future assembly themes. Really looking forward to seeing everyone out on Friday morning. Thanks very much.